Walking into their home, you notice something is different right away. The atmosphere is calm, the surfaces are clear, and nothing is out of place. It appears simple, almost effortless. However, what you are witnessing is not just cleanliness. It's a psychological approach. People who keep their homes clean every day aren't spending all their time cleaning. They are thinking differently. This shift in thinking subtly enhances their discipline, focus, and mental clarity in ways that many overlook. The first layer of this approach is identity. Clean environments are not maintained through sheer motivation. They are sustained by self-image. These individuals see themselves as organized, controlled, and intentional. This self-perception drives small actions throughout the day. When you believe, I am someone who keeps my space tidy, you don't negotiate with clutter. You respond automatically. This aligns with what psychologists call identity-based behavior. Your actions become a natural extension of who you believe you are. There is also a strong connection to cognitive load. Every item in your environment competes for your attention. When a space is messy, your brain continually processes unfinished tasks. Even if you're not actively thinking about it, your mind recognizes disorder as something requiring resolution. This creates subtle mental stress. Daily cleaners minimize background noise, leading to fewer distractions in the brain and ultimately enhancing focus and decision-making. Another critical element is the concept of micro-habits. People who maintain clean homes do not typically engage in massive cleaning sessions. Instead, they rely on small, consistent actions, washing a dish immediately, putting clothes away after use, or resetting surfaces before leaving a room. These small tasks take just seconds, but prevent clutter from accumulating. Psychologically, this approach works well because these minor tasks feel easy, allowing the brain to accept them without resistance. Over time, these micro-actions compound, resulting in a consistently clean environment without requiring intense effort. There is also a principle called closure. The human brain prefers to complete tasks. When something remains unfinished, it creates tension, known as the Zeigarnik effect. Daily cleaners quickly close open loops. They do not leave small tasks unresolved. This practice reduces mental tension and creates a sense of control, making their environment feel complete, which in turn positively influences their mindset. Lastly, emotional regulation plays an important role. Cleaning can serve as a stabilizing behavior. When life feels chaotic, organizing a physical space fosters a sense of order, providing the brain with a clear, visible result. For those who clean regularly, this becomes a way to maintain emotional balance. Instead of allowing stress to accumulate, they redirect it into simple, controlled actions, resulting in a calmer mental state. There is a strong connection between daily cleaning and future thinking. Daily cleaners anticipate potential problems. They recognize that a small action taken now can prevent significant issues later. This mindset reflects delayed gratification. Rather than avoiding effort, they consistently invest small amounts of energy. This approach reduces feelings of overwhelm. While others face large, stressful cleaning sessions, daily cleaners enjoy steady maintenance. Another psychological benefit of regular cleaning is friction reduction. When your environment is clean, everything becomes easier. You find things more quickly and move about more freely, making it easier to start tasks without resistance. In contrast, a messy space creates friction, slowing you down. People who clean daily design their environments to support action, transforming their surroundings into tools that assist them rather than drain their energy. There is also a transfer effect of discipline. Habits cultivated in one area often carry over into others. By consistently maintaining your environment, you strengthen your self-control. This discipline can extend into your work, health, and personal goals. It's not just about the act of cleaning, it's about the behavioral patterns it reinforces. However, this mindset does not equate to perfection. The strongest individuals are not obsessively cleaning every moment. They follow simple principles: reset as you go, finish what you start, and don't allow small messes to grow. This approach keeps the system sustainable, preventing burnout and promoting consistency over time. Moreover, a clean space sends a deeper signal about identity. It reflects self-respect, demonstrating that you value both your environment and your time. This is not about impressing others. It's about how you choose to live when no one is watching. This internal standard fosters quiet confidence and helps you trust yourself to maintain order in your life. The contrast is evident when considering accumulation. Mess accumulates gradually. One item left out can quickly turn into 2, then 10. The same principle applies to discipline. A single small action performed daily can develop into a system. Daily cleaners recognize this compounding effect. They do not wait for chaos, but actively prevent it. If you want to adopt this mindset, start small. Choose one rule, such as resetting your workspace at the end of the day or cleaning immediately after using something. Focus on consistency rather than intensity to make the action automatic. The true benefit of this practice is not just a clean house, it's a clear mind. When your environment is ordered, your thoughts tend to follow suit. When your actions are consistent, your identity strengthens. Over time, these small daily decisions create a life that feels controlled, intentional, and calm. Your challenge is simple. Before the day ends, fully reset one space. It may take just 5 minutes, but focus on it completely. Notice the feeling of clarity. It's more than satisfaction. It's a sense of control that you'll want to maintain daily.